Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing a clean, dry voice. That gives you more control later. Once recorded, apply a high pass at 200 to 300 Hz to cut rumble, then use a gentle noise gate to remove room hiss between phrases. Make sure to compress lightly, ratio around 1 to 3, 1 so dynamics sit consistently. Finally, reduce reverb to near 0. Phone audio is dry. These first steps set the tonal canvas for the telephone timbre you'll craft next. Once done with basic cleanup, shape the frequency band to match phone lines. Apply a bandpass that restricts audio to roughly 30400 Hz for classic landline warmth, or tighten to 353,000 Hz for a more synthetic cell phone tone. Next, boost a narrow region near 1.5 kHz to add intelligibility, then attenuate 4 to 8 kHz to kill natural air. Finally, simulate legacy codecs by downsampling or adding subtle bitrate-style distortion to emulate compression artifacts and reduce fidelity convincingly. You finish by adding texture and final level control. Apply a telephone EQ preset or stack a mild saturation plugin for harmonic grit. Keep gain staging clean to prevent clipping. Normalize or target loudness to about -16 to -14 lufs so it reads like a call. Once done, check on actual phones and earbuds. If it sounds muddy or harsh, recheck phase relationships and rerun the bandpass slightly narrower. A small EQ tweak fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.